all my YouTube fans, how are you today? Well, thank you for tuning in today's blog. If you're wondering what I'm doing today, we're going to be taking apart one of these older style Gfci outlet circuit interrupter devices to see what's on the inside and see how it actually works. We have the neutral, your return, your live, the hot, your ground, LED, a reset and test buttons as well. And on the back, we just have your standard connections with the holes, neutral, hot on that side, and also ground. Got myself a screwdriver. Make sure it's like a broken unit and not a good one before you start taking it apart. It does have some screws in it. Put those off to the side. Then take out all these silly screws. And of course, make sure you hold it together a little bit, because it does have like a spring inside of it. This one could be a Philly one. Be right back. So you got the 4 silver screws out, and let's go ahead and slowly take off the cover here. Make sure we don't lose anything. See? That's all this is. Just the plastic cover. This one does not have the shuttles in them. Means this one is kind of okay to use, but not the best unit to use. Take out the test button. Take out the middle. This is the reset button. It's a shaft and a spring. Here we have the ground plate. Take that off. Here we have the neutral side and also the hot side. Alright. Alright, so now we're going to move this off to the side. We are now going to focus more over here. The hot side, neutral side. Doing all that. Well, you do want to be careful with some of the contactor little switches and stuff. You do want to be careful with that. Alright. This is the neutral side. Just a standard plate. It's press fitted together when you put your plugs into it. Now this side here is the hot side. Okay. Put the plate there. Now we also have this black piece. We also have the LED over here. You can slowly take that out. Just make sure you don't lose any metal bolts at your level switch. This is the bracket. It holds these pieces together. Now, I don't want to take it apart too much, but we're going to see what we can find. Well, we took it apart the unit here, but I'm not going to tear the rest of it apart too much because it is a very tight fit for everything to go back into place in this little housing. It does have like a little circuit board you can kind of see the circuit board inside, but that's what it looks like when you take apart a dead Gfci outlet. This unit somewhat still works, but I don't recommend using it anymore because if it's dead, I don't recommend it using the dead units. Now, gonna use my screwdriver as a pointer tool here. In this center, we have like a spring button, and it has these like little tabs, like relays, that's your LED, and also a bunch of circuit board stuff down below. Now, you can tear the rest of it apart if you want, or you can try salvaging the stuff and scrapping the metal out of it, but I don't think it's really worth to scrap it at all. But, alright, if you guys are brand new to this channel, please hit that subscribe button. Leave a comment down below. Please like. Please share. Peace out. Bye guys and girls. Hopefully see you in the next vlog. Bye for right now. Catch you a little later. Peace out from your boy Chris. Have a nice day.